Most bad hires happen before the interview begins. The job description attracted the wrong people. The application process did not surface the right signal. The interview asked the wrong questions. And the final decision was made on instinct dressed up as judgment, on how someone presented in a 60-minute conversation rather than on evidence of how they actually work. Most business owners and managers know they have made bad hires. Most do not know precisely where the hiring process broke down, because without a system, each hire feels like a separate, isolated event, rather than a repeatable process with identifiable failure points. I built a hiring system with AI, not after a perfect hire. After one too many hires that looked right in the interview and revealed themselves to be wrong in the first 3 months. Here is exactly what changed. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why most hiring processes fail before the system. The honest diagnosis. Most job descriptions describe tasks rather than outcomes. They tell potential candidates what they will do rather than what they need to produce. A candidate who reads a list of tasks imagines themselves doing those tasks and decides whether they want to. A candidate who reads a clear outcome statement, what success looks like in this role after 90 days, evaluates honestly whether they can produce it. These two populations of candidates are very different. The outcome-focused job description filters for the second group before a single interview is conducted. Most interview processes test presentation rather than performance. An interview is a conversation. Work is not a conversation. The candidate who presents well in 60 minutes of dialogue is not necessarily the candidate who performs well in the role. Performance-based hiring, asking candidates to demonstrate relevant capability rather than describe it, predicts job success significantly more reliably than conversational interviews alone. And most hiring decisions lack a structured evaluation framework. When the final decision comes down to a panel discussion of impressions, who felt right, who seemed like a culture fit, who the team warmed to most, the decision is vulnerable to bias, to whoever speaks first, and to the halo effect of a good initial impression overriding more important signals. AI addresses all 3 failure points systematically. Building the outcome-based job description. The job description is the filter that determines who applies. Get it wrong, and the interview process is already working from a weak pool, regardless of how well it is run. Give Claude the role you are hiring for. The specific outcomes the role needs to produce in the first 30, 60, and 90 days. The skills and characteristics that your best existing team members in similar roles demonstrate. And the specific failures you have experienced in previous hires for this or similar roles. Ask Claude to write a job description structured around outcomes rather than tasks. What does success look like in this role? What will the person have built, improved, or delivered in their first 3 months? What specific capabilities, not just qualifications, does the role require? Ask Claude to also write the section that most job descriptions omit, a clear description of who will struggle in this role. Not a negative framing, an honest description of the working style, the pace, and the type of challenge that does not suit everyone. This section reduces applications from candidates who would be a poor fit before they invest time in applying and you invest time in reviewing. Building the interview system. With the right candidates in the pool, the interview system determines whether you identify the genuinely right ones. Ask Claude to design an interview process with 3 components for your specific role. A structured question bank, 20 to 30 questions organized by the competencies most critical to success in the role. Not generic interview questions. Questions designed to surface evidence of the specific capabilities the outcome-based job description requires. For each question, Claude provides the signal to listen for in a strong answer and the red flags that indicate a candidate is describing desired behavior rather than actual behavior. A performance task. A brief, relevant assignment that gives the candidate the opportunity to demonstrate capability rather than describe it. Ask Claude to design a task that takes no more than 2 hours of the candidate's time, reflects the actual work they would do in the role, and produces output you can evaluate against clear criteria. And a structured scoring framework, a simple evaluation template that all interviewers complete independently before discussing their assessments. Independent scoring before group discussion significantly reduces the influence of dominant voices and first impression bias on the final decision. The reference check system. Most reference checks produce no useful information. The candidate selects their references. The references know they have been selected. And the conversation follows predictable positive generalities. Ask Claude to design a reference check system that produces genuine signal. The key is asking about specific situations rather than general impressions. Not how would you describe this person's work ethic, but can you describe a situation where this person had to deliver under pressure and what happened? Specific situation questions require references to recall actual events rather than construct general assessments. Events are harder to fabricate and more revealing than impressions. Ask Claude to write 15 specific situation questions tailored to your role. The pattern across 3 references, where situations are consistently positive, where they reveal consistent friction, and where references struggle to find specific examples, is the most reliable signal the reference process produces. The onboarding system, the final element of a hiring system that produces hires who stay, is a structured onboarding process. Most onboarding is ad hoc. The new hire is introduced to the team, given access to the tools, and left to figure out most of the rest. The first 90 days, the period when the hire decides whether they have made the right choice, are left to chance. Ask Claude to design a 30, 60, 90-day onboarding plan for each role you hire into. Clear milestones for each phase. Regular check-ins that surface challenges before they become disengagement. And a structured moment at 90 days where both the hire and the manager assess the fit honestly and address anything that needs addressing before it becomes a problem that ends the hire. What part of your hiring process do you think is currently producing the most mistakes? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a complete hiring system that actually finds the right people, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.